fun characters from the popular CBeebies show, Twirlywoos. 5 of them will be joining us. Let's see what's inside the box. It's Chickadee and Chick! Aren't they adorable? They are a cheeky, inseparable pair who are always seen together. Look, they even hold hands! Chickadee and Chick are exclusively available at Argos. Like all our soft characters today, they're suitable for preschoolers from 10 months old. This enthusiastic pair are around 19 centimeters tall and are made from beautiful super soft fabrics, making them great to cuddle. Plus, if you press their upper bodies, they make their delightful signature sounds from the show. Here's flamboyant Toodaloo. She loves to sing and dance. She's an impulsive character and dives headfirst into a situation. The talking Toodaloo soft toy has bright, textured fabric and is ever so soft. Perfect for snuggles. She stands at around 25 centimeters and also says her familiar sounds with a gentle squeeze. Joining these guys is cuddly talking Great Big Who. He has a very inquisitive nature and loves to explore new things to see how they work. He is approximately 30 centimeters tall and, like his Twirlywoos friends, is comforting to cuddle up to with his soft, snuggly body. Also like his friends, he says his signature sounds with a gentle squeeze. Hang on, here hides mischievous Peekaboo. He lives on the boat and is never seen by the Twirlywoos. When he wants to, he can hide his cuddly body inside his plush shell, and then pop out again when it's time to play. He even has a squeaker and can be used as a hand puppet for imaginative playtime with your little one. We hope you've loved this Argos unboxing with Chickadee and Chick, Toodaloo, Great Big Who and Peekaboo from the show Twirlywoos. They're all perfect for hours of fun and utterly adorable. Let us know which one you like the most.